Hello friends, welcome back to another video of this channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to do a speed test of your home Wi-Fi or internet through an application on the phone. So before that, we'll find out why we need to do a speed test result. Sometime when we are in the home, our Wi-Fi gets slow on the devices like phone and laptop. In that case, we can do a speed test result and compare with the speed test that ISP has promised us to give and see the difference. So without any delay, let's get started. First, if you are an iPhone user, then you can go to the App Store, or if you are an Android user, then you can go to the Play Store. So I am having iPhone here, so I'll go to the App Store. Then you can type Speed Test Ookla under the search button. Then you will come up with the one app with the name Speed Test Internet and Wi-Fi Test, which is from Ookla. Then click on install if you haven't installed already. I have already installed, so I will click on open. Then you will come up with the very big go button here. Just click on the go button. Then your speed test is getting measured. You will come up with the download Mbps and upload Mbps results. So here my download Mbps is 35.3. And my upload Mbps is 14.8. So these are my download Mbps and upload Mbps. On the down, it will show my device tab as well, which is iPhone 16 Pro Max. On the second option, there is a video. So this is the one which says how much resolution you can get on this speed. You can recheck it again. I got 4K resolution when I checked it before. So you can recheck it again. Just press and cross. Then it will go like this, which says testing adaptive bitrate. You have to wait for some time. And it is testing 4K resolution. I have come up with the same results that I have got before. So you can check how much resolution you will get on that speed on your device. Then it have a function called map as well. You can see the map here. Then you can also use a VPN here. I have been given 2 GB and I haven't used anything so far. And also you can check the server, which is from Adelaide in my case. You can also change the server, but you have to use a premium function. For that, you have to pay certain money, which is $7.99. Then there is a 3 hamburger menu on the top. Then here you can go and click on the results, and you can check all the previous results that you have measured, the speed, and also the video one. Then you can go and check the settings. You can remove ads within certain money. Then you go back. This is how you check your speed result on your iPhone device or any Android device. You can also check the speed test from the web browser on the laptop or desktop. For that, simply go to the any browser. Here I'm going on Safari. Then type Ookla speed test. It will come with the first website. Just click on that. Here I will go to the application because I have already installed application here. But in the case if there is no application installed on the phone, then it will open on the browser, and it will come up with the same page where it says go button, and click on go. Then you will come up with the download and upload mbps, and you can see your speed test result. I hope you like the video. If you have liked the video, please give a like, comment, and subscribe the channel. I will see you in another video. Thank you.